Today we have a very special project for you. May not be the biggest space, but where we lack in size, we made up for in design. Come check out this beautiful backyard. This right here is probably one of my favorite design elements. We decided to do 6 posts on the corner here, so it's a nice design feature right as you enter the backyard. It helps create a sense of space on the corner of the kitchen. Here we've got a beautiful kitchen island. We wrapped the countertop waterfall edge down both sides. Plenty of seating for the whole family. Over here, we've got all your outdoor appliances that you need. Plenty of storage underneath. We've got a double burner here, cooking outside. We've got the grill, mini fridge with the glass front here for all your beverages. And then let's take a look at this beverage center here that we've got. Outdoor sink, we've got trash, some more storage, and then another one of my favorite features is this slat wall that we created behind the sink. Becomes a focal point when you're sitting outside. This slat wall is not only beautiful, it's functional as well with the plants hanging. We've got the sconces on both sides, and of course the TV to watch your favorite show while you're sitting outside. Imagine sitting out here, got the whole family around the island, grill going, TV with your favorite show, all sitting underneath this beautiful louvered roof, rain or shine. Just because you have a small space doesn't mean we can't make up for that in beautiful design. If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that like button, follow us, and we'll see you on the next one.